Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have a 1989 175 Johnson Looper big bore engine for sale. It's got new spark plugs, new water pump, carb's been gone through, gear case has been pressure tested. Compression, I believe, was 80 on every cylinder, which these are a low compression engine. They're not a high compression engine. Freshwater Minnesota motor. It is a 25-inch. The VRO has been disconnected, so you get a mixture fuel. It will come with a control box, a prop. What else? That's about it. I'll fire it up. I got to turn on my exhaust fan for this one, and also it will come with a control box. Trim and tilt. I know most of you know, but this is a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. A lot of people ask us. This is old school oil burning power. I can't open this one up into my tank either because it will flood my tank out. Neutral, reverse, cut her off, nice clean engine. Grab this fan. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.